While the idea of drinking salt water might initially seem unappealing, it's important to clarify that we're not talking about seawater, which is unsafe for consumption due to high salt content and potential contaminants. Instead, we are referring to a balanced salt water solution, often termed as SOL, pronounced Soleil, made by mixing natural salt, like Himalayan pink salt, with pure water. This solution has been touted for various health benefits, some of which are backed by scientific research. Here are the top 5 reasons to consider incorporating a balanced salt water drink into your daily routine. 1. Hydration and electrolyte balance. One of the primary benefits of drinking salt water is its ability to help maintain proper hydration and electrolyte balance in the body. Electrolytes are essential minerals that include sodium, potassium, magnesium, and calcium, and they play a crucial role in various bodily functions. When you sweat, exercise, or lose fluids through illness, your body's electrolyte levels can become depleted. Drinking a salt water solution can help replenish these electrolytes, ensuring that your cells function optimally, your muscles contract properly, and your nerve impulses are transmitted efficiently. 2. Improved digestion. Salt water can stimulate the production of stomach acid and digestive enzymes, which are necessary for the efficient breakdown of food and absorption of nutrients. For those suffering from low stomach acid, a condition known as hypochlorhydria, drinking a balanced salt water solution before meals can help kickstart the digestive process. This can lead to better nutrient absorption, reduced bloating, and relief from indigestion or acid reflux symptoms. Moreover, salt water can promote the production of bile in the liver, aiding in the digestion of fats. 3. Detoxification and pH balance. The minerals in natural salt can help balance the body's pH levels and support detoxification processes. A balanced pH is vital for overall health as it can affect everything from your immune system to your skin. Drinking salt water can help neutralize acidity in the body, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and inflammation. Additionally, the trace minerals in salt can support the detoxification of organs like the liver and kidneys, promoting the elimination of toxins and waste products from the body. 4. Enhanced energy and better sleep. Proper hydration and electrolyte balance are critical for maintaining energy levels throughout the day. When your body is adequately hydrated and your cells have the minerals they need, you're likely to feel more energetic and less fatigued. Moreover, certain minerals found in natural salt, such as magnesium, have been shown to promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. Drinking salt water can thus help regulate your sleep patterns, ensuring you get restful and restorative sleep, which in turn boosts your overall energy and productivity. 5. Skin health and anti-aging benefits. Salt water is rich in minerals that are beneficial for skin health. Regular consumption can help improve the appearance and texture of your skin by promoting hydration and reducing dryness. Minerals like magnesium, calcium, and potassium help maintain the skin's natural barrier function, keeping it resilient against environmental stressors. Furthermore, the detoxifying effects of salt water can help clear up skin conditions like acne by reducing inflammation and balancing oil production. The antioxidants in some natural salts can also help combat the signs of aging, keeping your skin looking youthful and vibrant. While drinking salt water might not be the most common health practice, it offers a range of potential benefits that can significantly impact your overall well-being. From maintaining hydration and electrolyte balance to promoting digestion, detoxification, energy, sleep, and skin health, a balanced salt water solution can be a simple yet powerful addition to your daily routine. As always, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or health regimen, especially if you have underlying health conditions or concerns.